Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your health bar early in Windrose. Increasing your health bar is extremely useful, especially when in combat, since having an increased health bar will save you from a lot of trouble. First things first, build a cooking fire. We will need this to cook our food for our health buff. Next, we need to hunt boars or dodo to cook in our camp. Now, we need to find a palm tree with coconuts. If you look near the tip of coconut trees, sometimes there will be trees that have coconut on them. You don't need to cut the tree, all you need to do is unequip your weapon and a prompt should appear asking to harvest the tree. The coconut will drop down for you to collect. Now we can cook the raw meat in our cooking fire. If you look at the bottom left of the screen, you'll see 3 icons that tells you which health buff is active. What you'll want to do is to drink the coconut. Right after drinking the coconut, immediately eat our fresh food. This increases your health bar almost twice as high, and surprisingly, this double health buff lasts for about 7 to 15 minutes. This is because coconut counts as a drink and the cooked food is a meal, which are two different food buffs. It's an easy way to gain more sustain while you explore around different islands early on. And that is how to increase your health bar early in Windrose. Thank you so much for watching.